Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hack. Today I have a new interesting project that I'm gonna do with you. So I'm gonna show you how you can basically make a horizontal row like this in your work. So I use this for hats sometimes, for winter hats. That way I think they look a bit nicer. So I do a couple of these one after another, but as you can see, one works just fine as well. So depending on what you want to do, today I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's actually really simple to do, nothing complicated, and yeah, I hope you guys are going to find this useful. So yeah, let's get right to it. So I'm here at the beginning for my next round, and I will now take one stitch from under the first stitch. I'll show you one more time. So top stitch and we go through and take the bottom one out. First stitch knitwise, take it onto the left needle. And go like this. And then close this up and cast the next one off. Now like this, and take it over again. And then do 2 more stitches. Now again the left needle. Go out here and repeat the same steps. So here, use your finger. I'm holding the stitch so that it doesn't pull apart when I pull the needle out. That's basically the whole trick. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really easy to do, so nothing complicated. So I will now finish the round and I will then get back to you. So here I am. I have to cast this one off since I started with it. So take it onto the needle and start the first stitch through this one like this. And close up. And then we can continue like this, or you can do this for one more row. But you see what I did here, so the effect that I got. Now I have the two, well, let's call them parallel lines, so you see the one and the other. So you can do that with the space in between them like this, or you can do them together right next to one another to get a visual effect of a thicker horizontal line. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Feel free to let me know what you think. If you find this useful, feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll always stay updated with everything new that I post, and you can also see the older videos I already posted. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!